When we talk about what makes us human, we're often trying to define what sets us apart from other animals. It's easy for us to list the ways that we perceive ourselves, the human race, to be different and possibly superior to the rest of the natural world. We've developed full languages for communication. We appreciate music and art, and leave a legacy when we die. But some of these definitions of what makes us human and what distinguishes us from other animals start to become slightly less clear-cut when we examine our closest non-human relatives, primates, and, more particularly, the great apes. Even to the unscientific eye, the similarities between young humans and young chimpanzees are blindingly obvious. Seeing a young chimp respond to tickling with giggles is uncannily familiar. Throughout history, primates have been used as human proxies. Not long ago, it was still considered acceptable and harmless to dress chimps in clothing and have them pretend to be humans, invariably for comic effect. Primates have long been used for scientific research and technology development, in situations where we've been unwilling to risk human lives. Remarkably, since the late 1940s, over 30 primates, including monkeys and chimpanzees, have been launched into space, and, unsurprisingly, very few of them returned to Earth alive. While acceptable at the time, many of these images are disturbing to us now. The ethical perception of this treatment of primates has changed over time. And this change came about, in large part, due to the research into great ape communities in the wild conducted by groundbreaking scientists like Dr. Jane Goodall. Goodall began her research with wild chimpanzees in Tanzania in 1960. She was the first scientist to record the use of tools by primates, specifically chimpanzees making tools to extract termites from termite mounds. Prior to this, it was thought that making tools was a defining human characteristic, and it led to the grand pronouncement from the eminent anthropologist Louis Leakey: now we must redefine tool, redefine man, or accept chimpanzees as humans. Through her 40 years of research, Goodall revealed chimpanzees to be complex creatures capable of compassion and altruism, with complicated societies and familial relationships. This work offered not only insight into chimpanzee culture, but into our own as well. Today, with modern DNA research, it has also been revealed that we share approximately 99% of our DNA with chimpanzees and bonobos. All of which raises the question, what is it in that 1% that really makes us human?